The suit in the Federal High Court in Abuja was instituted by the All Progressives Congress (APC), describing the action of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission (ROSIEC) as being in breach of the Electoral Act, which provides for 90-day notice before a date is announced. They therefore prayed the court to stall the conduct of the election until lawful action is taken, and the court sometime in July yield the prayers and ban National Electoral Body INEC from releasing the voters' register to the state electoral body after hearing all arguments from all parties in the suit, including INEC. Peter Lifu, the Federal High Court judge presiding over the matter, agreed that there's been a breach of the Electoral Act. He therefore says the 90-day notice must be issued before a date for the local government polls is set, meaning October 5th is no longer feasible.
The court held that INEC, that is the first defendant, is bound to ensure that the National Register of Voters that includes Rivers State must be updated, and that same can only be released 90 days before the conduct of the elections. And also very fundamental from the judgment of the court is that the court struck down provisions of the Rivers State Electoral Law, Section 60 of that law that seeks to oust the jurisdiction of the court from depriving aggrieved parties from exercising their constitutional rights before the court. The implication of the judgment of the court is that the elections cannot be conducted on the 5th of October except the condition precedents are provided by the Constitution and the Electoral Act is complied with.
Meanwhile, the Rivers State APC had appealed to withdraw the lawsuit, insisting it never got the approval of the leadership.
For our own part, we came as the Rivers State chapter of the APC to state that the persons who brought the matter to court were not the proper persons. And we asked, because the Rivers State chapter of the APC had already briefed us to withdraw this matter, that it has no consent of the real party members of the Rivers State chapter, on behalf of whom it was purportedly filed. So, but the judge has ruled otherwise, so I already have the instruction of my clients that this matter be tested further on appeal.
With two courts of coordinate jurisdiction giving conflicting judgment on the Rivers local government election, it is now left for the Court of Appeal to make the picture more clearer on which of the decisions should be acted on. Rebecca Guffey, reporting for BTV News.